Today we're introducing Command+K, a powerful command palette. Think of it as a universal shortcut for everything in Clueso. It lets you take action without ever leaving your keyboard. Here's how you get started. If you're on a Mac, simply press Command+K, and if you're on Windows, press Ctrl+K to open it from anywhere in Clueso. You can search across your entire workspace in one place, including projects, folders, navigation pages, and actions. If you want to narrow things down, you can either click directly from here or use scope shortcuts. To jump to settings, type N semicolon, spell out the name, and press enter to land straight on the page without clicking through a single menu. You can reach anywhere in Clueso this way, like templates or your pronunciation dictionary. Once you're inside a project, Command+K is just as powerful. By default, you'll see actions relevant to the editor. Things like add text, add image, add zoom. These are the things you can find in the UI too, but Command+K means you never have to go looking for them. Just type clip in Command+K and it comes right up. Select it and you get your options to add a blank clip, upload a file, record your screen, or pull from an existing Clueso project. And some actions in Command+K go beyond what you'd find in the editor. Say you've added spotlights across your project and want to clear all of them at once. Just type delete all spotlights and they're cleared across the entire project instantly. And that's Command+K, your fastest way to get around Clueso. Give it a try and let us know what to build next for you. I'm Shriya from Clueso and I'll see you soon.